Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really beautiful floral wall hangings. I got this vintage wildflower book at an estate sale for $1, and all of the prints in it are so beautiful. I use them as greeting cards, as wrapping paper, and I thought that the pages would make beautiful hanging art pieces. You can do this with pretty much anything. You can get some vintage art at a thrift store and take it out of the frames and use that if you can't find a really cute book like this one. For the bottom wooden pieces, I am using some 1/4-inch plywood that I had laying around, and I'm just going to take a straight edge and mark how wide I want my pieces to be. My saw battery was half dead here, that's why it looks like I'm struggling, but I'm just going to use a circular saw to cut off my piece. You'll want to measure how wide your paper is and cut 4 pieces for each sheet that you're going to do. After cutting them all, I'm just going to sand them down gently with some 150 grit sandpaper. This step is optional because the color of the raw wood is really pretty, but I'm just going to seal them up with some polycrylic. Next, I'm just going to trim down the rough edges with some really high-end dollar store scissors. Next, I'm just using some Gorilla wood glue to glue the papers in between the pieces of wood. For the top part of the paper, you're going to want to cut any string of your choice and sandwich it in between both wood pieces so that you have something to hang it from. You can place something heavy on this or use some little clamps like I am. And then repeat the same steps for the bottom of your sheet. You just won't need any string for this part. And voila, we have some super easy to make wall hangings. And bonus, they're reversible. Thanks so much for watching.